Hi guys, I'm Urban from #gadgets, and today in this video I'm going to unbox the universal car mount holder from at&t. So here are the inbox elements which we get inside the box, and here is the base part of the car mount holder, which has a suction cup at the bottom, a position wheel to adjust the angles of the car mount, a telescopic arm for extending the holder. The car mount is made up of good quality of plastic, and here is the main part of the car mount holder, which has a nut to attach the base part of the holder, which we will see in a minute. It also has extendable arms for different sizes of smartphones. The car mount holder from at&t also comprises of quite few nice features, which are a side release button for releasing the smartphone from the holder, and a button in between the arms that is used to close the arms or to lock the phone in its position so that it doesn't fall off. So here are the steps to attach the base part with the main part of the car mount holder. It's quite easy to attach both the parts together. The car mount holder from at&t has a quite nice grip and won't let the smartphones fall off quite easily. This car mount holder from at&t is available on Amazon for around 700 Indian rupees, and if you want to get one for yourself, then I will be attaching the Amazon link in the description below.